Okay, I just made this piece for my shifter, my shift knob. Apparently the old one was no good. I didn't like the feel of this thing poking, jabbing into my hand every time I shift, so set it. You hear this? So, I made my own stuff. It's out of a lathe, I thread it, so it actually threads in. See it? See it? Try to yank it, it doesn't come off. So I made it just for that in this application, and the goal behind it is I want to push this. Once it goes in, it's solid. So here's the end result. Goes in, this, it's pressed. I made it so it fits tightly, and you need quite a bit of energy to push this in. Once that's that, get the key, you tighten these bastards down. Well, not really tighten. The whole idea is that that's what it makes. Now I shouldn't have these damn nails on anyways. Don't need it. Here's the last one. You know, screw the damn nails. Take the nails off. It's just gonna ruin my my little bushing for it. There we go. So you really don't need it if you custom made it. It's just gonna damage it. I know it looks ghetto as hell, you guys. But you know what? My old one was cutting my fingers. So I would prefer, it's a little gay, I know. I can get the TRD later down the road. Get the TRD down the road. So twist and then install. See it, guys? Where's the rattle now? See it? And it doesn't move. Nice, right? And all you need to do is just keep twisting it down until it's threaded all the way. Voila! It's not gonna fall off. It's pressed tightly. Sweeter.